This video will show step-by-step instruction by installing the 1-gang iotty smart switch in a single-way setup. Turn power off at the breaker. Remove your old switch. Label your wires. Connect the N lead of the iotty switch to the neutral bundle. Connect the blue RL1 lead of the iotty switch to the load wire. Connect the L lead and the black R1 lead of the iotty switch to the live wire. Attach the dimmer module to the back of the switch. Ensure the connections are firm and secure. Tuck the wires neatly into the box. Screw in the iotty switch. Attach the glass faceplate. Turn the power on at the breaker. You've successfully installed the iotty smart switch.